Hello everyone, myself Mayur, and today's our topic of discussion is garbage collection in Java. So let us look a brief overview about the garbage collection in the Java. The garbage collection is a process of reclaiming the runtime and unused memory automatically. In other words, it is the way to destroy unused objects. Then the finalized method is invoked each time before the object is garbage collected. This method can be used to perform the cleanup processing. The GC method is used to invoke the garbage collector to perform cleanup the processing. So to do so, we are using free function in C language and delete in C++. But in Java, it is performed automatically. So Java provides better memory management, and this is the bigger advantage of the Java. So the advantage of the garbage collection are as follows. First is it makes Java more efficient because garbage collector removes the unreferenced object from the heap memory. And another one is it is automatically done by the garbage collector a part of JVM, so we don't need to make extra efforts. Next one is the garbage collector of the JVM collects only those objects that are created by new keyword. So if you have created any object without any new, you can use the finalize method to perform cleaning processing, destroying remaining objects. Another one, it makes the Java memory efficient because garbage collector removes the unreferenced object from the heap memory, and it is automatically done by the garbage collector, and it is a garbage collector is a part of a JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So we don't need to make extra efforts. The garbage collection is performed by daemon thread called daemon collector. Garbage collector. This thread calls the finalize method before object is garbage collected. Okay, thank you. This is all about garbage collection. Thank you.